What's up, everybody? Ace Motorsports giving you guys another video. Just want to go ahead and thank you for all the support in the past couple of days for the Halloween videos in Glamis. We will be going to Thanksgiving if God permits, but go ahead and update you in regards to the Banshees. And this box here, I have something to help me out with the sagginess of the plastics. So we all know in Banshees the rear plastics always sag. And here is a quick update. The Banshee's still running great. I did get this bike back from Gonzalez Banshees. Full rebuild. The crankshaft and the pistons. Everything is completely new. As you can tell, these plastics don't sag as much as my white plastics. So I have something to go ahead and help it with the sag. I still need to wash the bikes. Just got them back. So let's go ahead and show you what I got. Let's go ahead and open up the box. Right off the bat, this looks like some really good material. So right here it says Yamaha Banshee rear fender braces. So let's go ahead and take a look how I'm gonna mount them. Is the first time. So we're gonna take our plastics from this to this. So let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, so I kind of have an idea how these are gonna be mounted. Let's go ahead and take them out from their bottom. Doesn't matter which side it goes on. I don't think so. And they look both to be the same, so it shouldn't matter. But we will need to take off this bolts here. It's probably gonna be a 12. Yamaha Banshee, making the difference, going the distance. A Banshee, Yamaha Banshee, making the difference, going the distance. A Banshee, so that's how they mount up, just like that. Let's go ahead and put the rear plastic back on. See how it looks. So here's the finished product. I think it looks pretty good. Looks decent. You take a look at the bottom how it works. It goes to your frame and it goes attached to your plastics right there. So I think it looks pretty good. No more saggy plastics. Go ahead and drop a comment down below what you think of this. As well, like the video. We will be going for Thanksgiving. So if you like Banshees or you like Glamis, any dunes, motorcycles, anything, go ahead and subscribe, guys. That's all I ask for. It really helps out. I have some goals that I wish to meet. And then all it takes is for you to hit the subscribe button. So once again, guys, these are the two Banshees. Let's go ahead and show you the garage. See what's in the garage. In the garage, we have my sister's Trailblazer. I still have the Quadzilla, looking beautiful than ever. 400EX, Dune Buggy, but everything else that was here is sold. So let's go ahead and continue enjoying, making content, and having a good time. Have a great rest of your day, guys.